Welcome to another episode of the Manly Garage. These new Audi spark plugs are kind of a pain in the butt. They've got this 12-point head on them that's pretty difficult to use if you just have like standard spark plug tools. But I just picked up this guy right here. It's pretty dang sweet. It's got an extension on it, and check this out. So you slide this guy in, and it locks in magnetically and makes your life a heck of a lot easier. The other thing is if you look at the plug itself versus the socket diameter, I mean, there's very little. It's a really nice, or very little space, excess space, I think would be the best way to put it. Anyways, getting your spark plugs in and out, it locks in magnetically, holds in place, and it has a built-in extension, which is really nice. So if you need to replace your spark plugs, I highly recommend getting one of these. I'm going to drop a link to it in the description below, and click on that guy and you can get a hold of one of these. This is really nice. It's also got a slight wobble to it. This guy actually ends up replacing four tools really. I have a rubber version of this that allows the spark plug to sit in the socket, and then you can twist it out by hand. But this guy here, god dang, it replaces that rubber tool, replaces the socket, replaces your extension, replaces the swivel that goes in between here to get them into those tight angled spaces. So yeah, big fan. It's a 14 millimeter CRV, but yeah, I picked this up off of Amazon. Anyways, more tips like this. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We'll keep them coming for you, and we'll make your life a heck of a lot easier. Thanks for watching.